Hi guys, welcome to Worcester Small Loader. I'm just going to do a quick review of our petrol powered hydraulic log splitter. If you come over here and we'll check the fuel, so take the fuel cap off and always check it's got petrol in. Just goes in the top of here. If you hire anything off us, it will always come full of petrol. To start the machine, it's really simple. Pull cord, choke is the grey one, and then the revs and the ignition is on the top one, which is the black knob. So the minute it's in the stop position, and then we'll just pull it back and it'll be in the start position. You've got two ways of using this machine, either upright the way it is or flat. To adjust it, on this side you've got a latching handle, so it locks it off, and then you've got another handle with a slider which changes position. So I'm going to unlock this, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull it back and guide it all the way around here, and then lock it off. So we've got two ways of using it. We can lift logs onto here and split them if you don't want to put your back down, or sorry, put your back out. I'm going to change it and use it in the other way. So I'm going to unlock it, I'm going to guide it down, and then lock it off nice and tightly. So we'll come around here and we'll start the machine. So we'll take it off stop onto low revs. We'll put the choke on and we'll give it a pull. I'll take the choke off. We've just had it running. I don't actually need the choke there. So I'm just going to rev it up to about half throttle. Not all the way. And then on here we've got two handles. They're safety handles. It means you have to have both hands on it to operate it. Down and then up. So it means you can't have your hand in the machine and press it. It won't come down. It's a safety feature. So both hands down and then lift it up. Once you're done, and it'll automatically shut itself off. So if I let go with one hand, I slip, fall, it'll just stop. It's a safety feature. So I'll just have a go at splitting one of the logs. I've only got small logs left now. I'll put both hands down, and then it'll split the log up. Pull it up. Got another log. Both hands down. Split the log, pull them up and out of the way. Once you've done log splitting, to turn the machine off, really simple. You're just going to slide the throttle down, it's on low revs, and then if you just press it a little bit more, it'll turn it off. It hasn't got a typical switch, it's built into this already. The Briggs & Stratton engines are fantastic. And that's it, thank you for watching.